evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your S-Trading Mentor's free trading video for Thursday, April 7th, 2011. Today we had a total of 6 executable trade signals for a max potential of 25 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning at 29.75 and we were actually splitting both our 4 o'clock and 4:15 closed, so there wasn't really a half gap trade this morning because it was in between the two different closes, which leads to some confusion. But nonetheless, it did push up and push through that 4 o'clock close, and the market just really took off. There was no opportunity to get in on that move initially, and then by the time it did pull back and give us an opportunity at our gold line, we ended up getting our first contract off and stopped out to the downside for a T1 minus 2, and then we had a signal set up to the downside, and then that signal did hit T1 and T2, and then the news came out about the earthquake, and it sent the market into a slight bit of a panic. So we had already made it to T2 at that time. There were some folks that on this panic bounce were able to get back on the trade and write it down for a few more ticks. But the official trade set up before the news announcement, and T1, T2 for 6 ticks to the downside. We then put in a little bit of a double bottom here, if you will, and the market picked up a nice little fast pop on that after we tested the double bottom. You know, there was a fast move to the upside. Again, when you see all these candles in a row that get parabolic, that's a heads up that there may be an extension in play, and indeed there was. And that trade went on to hit T1 and T2 to the upside for 9 ticks as we went all the way back up into our opening price. At about 11:15, we came back down through our moving average. We had a signal to get short. We were able to get the first contract off, and the market bounced, ended up stopping us out after the adjustment. Had you not adjusted the stop, you could have went on and ridden this down, but we adjusted our stop, ended up getting stopped out T1 minus 2 heading into the lunchtime dead zone, and then the market peeled off to the downside again. Again, the volatility during lunch, we do not trade between 11:30 and 1:15. That's the red area on this chart. You can see the market push down hard and then again another push back up. We did not do anything with either one of those moves. We wait until after 1:15, and there was an opportunity after that 1:15 time frame. Again, another quick move down, another extension opportunity, T1 and T2 for 7 ticks to the downside, as the market continued to just show extreme volatility today after that news announcement. And finally, at about 2:30, we started to reverse back to the upside, and right before the 3 o'clock quitting time, there was a signal to get long. Ended up taking targets 1 and targets 2 for 7 ticks. So a very, very active day, and it was all set off right after the news. We had a couple of trades before that news announcement, or news of the earthquake, but after that came out, the volatility in the markets really picked up. Gave us 6 trades for 25 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room and video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or just simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.